I don't have an absolute clue where I'm going. Shit. Alright, I'm finally here. Been wanting to come here for a while, but yeah, it's been raining. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Watergate Forest Park. To the waterfall. Let's go then. Alright, before I go any further, I just want to mention something I never realised until much later on when I actually googled it. Throughout the map, there are several unique way markers / sculptures to mark out the different areas, obviously. There was a couple of markers I didn't see, but keep watching to see which ones I did find. Oh, and one more thing. Oh, bollocks, what was it? Oh, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, that'll be great. It's very loud, but here's a waterfall. Yep, there you go. I found a lake. There's a little time-lapse phase. Oh yeah, then you've got that as a view as well. By the way, I'm only literally further along from there. Literally from there. I just came and seen this. Well, isn't this great? No idea. Let's go this way. I'm saying that they probably both lead to like the exact same place, so been a couple of minutes since I last recorded. I don't have an absolute clue where I'm going. So I just walked up there. I was gonna go up there, but then I seen this little bank and I want to have a look. Please be a good view, please. Bloody hell, you can have a game of bloody football here. Yeah, this is a dead end. Okay, this went up that way. And now, I'm seeing what's through here. Just a little water stream with a kid that has literally got a death wish, which I'm not going to film him, because I'm not a nonce.
Good evening, paedophiles. Okay,
now, to see where this bloody path leads to. And no, I'm not going to attempt to get down here. Okay, I'm at the end, and it just leads to two other routes, basically. So literally, I've just went all the way up there pretty much, so I'm here. Let's head down this way. Genuinely feels like I'm walking through blooming Chopwell Woods again. The view from up here is actually pretty damn sick as well. Seen some stairs, so I decided to just walk down here. And I'm glad I've done that because look at this view right here. Gonna get something else from my story. That's not a bad view, is it? Just walking over this bridge now. You know what, this area I absolutely love. I came down them steps, walked over that bridge, and now I'm gonna head over towards over that way. Yep, I'm gonna fly again. I wish I was Superman so I can fly away from this country. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh, I'll be fine, man. If I slip, I'm done for. There you go. Look at that. I never thought I'd be walking along this kind of area next to a stream today, but I literally love it. But if there's one thing that isn't enjoying themselves, these. Oh, I want to go on that rock. There we go. There you go. I've been such a child. Bloody hell, I nearly went. I was gonna attempt to, yeah, you know the deal. I don't fancy having a bath now. You know what, while I'm here, right, have a time lapse. So yeah, there you go, and I'm currently just walking along this walkway, I guess I could say right now. Look where I've ended up. Next to the stream again. Oh, by the way, do you remember what I said about that kid? Yeah, he was literally standing on top of there. Alright, now I'm gonna get me way along there. Shit. There's a gap in front of us, which I didn't actually realise. I have to go on the long way. Look at the size of this gap. So I'm currently just on like the opposite side of where I was pretty much. Filmed the time lapse just over there. So then I've walked all the way along there. where that water stream was, back down here, and I'm on the opposite side. I thought that said for a split second to watch out for the common turd. What the hell? Why the hell are these here? I can't resist it. Thing is, I have no idea what's been on this seat. A dog could have climbed up and had a poo. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ah, so it's one of the way markers. There's been several different like way markers in the entire park, which I didn't realise, but now I do. Pretty cool, isn't it? Right, I just came up this other route, okay? Have a look at this view. Alright, I'm currently right here, standing on these bloody rocks. Yep, gone and done a little bit of rock climbing, because for those of you who do not know, I've always loved rock climbing, but I've never done like a club or anything like that. As a kid, like, I always used to love to climb rocks. But yeah, that's the view right there. I tell you what, I do bloody love this view. There you go. But yeah, I'm gonna make my way back to towards the car. Alright, I've gone a little bit higher. There you go. Massive views over there. So I was just over there, so I walked all the way along there, then walked up, and you're not going to believe what's in front of me, like it's actually insane. Yeah, right, back to where I was going to go. Just to be clear, I was over there, sitting on where all of them are sitting on right now. So I walked all the way up here, and I was just on the top of them rocks there. You know what, this is my favourite way marker there is. I know I've missed a few, but that's definitely my favourite one. So yeah, that's been WATERGATE Park. Hope you lot have enjoyed. Oh, here's another one of them, the chair things right there. In a bit, you lot. Pull up on 6 out of 10, hey. Parties on weekends I'm bent, hey. All of this money is spent, hey. Throwing a lot of events, hey. Throwing for me and my friends, hey. Turn up 100%, hey. Living until I am dead, hey. I'm gonna make it, you'll see. Trick, give it some time and you'll see. This, I don't just want it, I need it. That is why I will achieve it. Man, you just gotta believe it. See in your mind you could be it. Live every day with no regret.